Good morning students. Now today we will study change in color in chemistry. Okay, till here I have explained. So change in color, when reactions happen, there is few changes also, few changes in color also occur. Okay, so see here, if we will take an example of calcium carbonate. Okay, calcium carbonate, that means CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Okay, calcium carbonate. What happens when it is decomposes? When it decompose on heating, what happens? It will give carbon dioxide and carbon second oxide. It will give copper second oxide. Okay, copper second oxide, that means CuO, copper second oxide, and carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is the reaction for change in color. Calcium carbonate on heating decomposes to form calcium, copper second oxide and carbon dioxide, but there is a change in color. Why? Because calcium carbonate is of green color. It is of green color. Okay, and on decomposes, it will give copper second oxide, which is black in color, and carbon dioxide is a gas. Okay, so calcium carbonate, which is green in color, on decomposes to give copper second oxide, which is black in color, and carbon dioxide. So there is a change in color happens. Okay, like that only iron on treating with sulfuric oxide, iron, that means Fe, iron on treating with sulfuric acid. Okay, sulfuric acid means H2SO4. Okay, H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. Okay, sulfuric acid, it will give what? Iron on treating with sulfuric acid, it will give iron second sulfate, that is FeSO4, and what? FeSO4 and hydrogen gas is evolved out, FeSO4 means iron second sulfate, Okay, so this is the reaction. In this, iron is actually in a gray color. Okay, in gray color form. But on treating with sulfuric acid, when it gives iron second sulfate, then there is a change in color happens, and that gray color is converted to light green. It is of light green color. Okay, it is of light green color, and hydrogen gas is evolved out. So this is the change in color reactions. And what happens during change in color? What happens during chemical reaction? There is a change in color also happens. Okay, now the evolution of gas we have to study. Okay, evolution of gas. Gas is evolved out. Okay, so see here. During chemical reactions, what happens? The gas which evolve out is mostly happen with the pop sound. Pop sound will happen, and what happens? The gas is evolve out. Or for example, carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. And hydrogen when ignited means what? Hydrogen when given little bit heat burns with a pop sound. Okay, so this is the evolution of heat. Like sodium Na on treating with water H2O will give what? Will give sodium hydroxide, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, and hydrogen gas is evolved out. This is evolution of gas topic. Evolution of gas. We are studying the evolution of gas. Sodium on treating with water, what happens? It will give sodium hydroxide, and hydrogen gas is evolved out. Like that only ammonium chloride on treating with slake lime, it will give calcium chloride and ammonia gas is evolve out. All these examples is given in your book. Okay, so you have to study from your book also to understand it more clearly. Next we have to study about a experiment. It is given a experiment in a book which we have to study. On these, what happens? This is the Bunsen burner. Okay, and above this Bunsen burner, what happens? We are having a test tube. We are having a test tube, and on this test tube, what happens? We will have a solution. We will have a solution which is known as which is the mixture of ammonium chloride and dry slake lime. Ammonium chloride and dry slake lime. Okay, and dry slake lime. Okay, what happens when? So this is a Bunsen burner. Okay, Bunsen burner which is used to give light and heat to the test tube. This is test tube. Okay, test tube, and in this test tube we will have a solution of ammonium chloride and dry slake lime. Okay, now what happens when we will take a glass rod which is moistened with hydrochloric acid, glass rod which is moistened with hydrochloric acid. This is the glass rod. Okay, glass rod moistened with hydrochloric acid, HCl. ओके, मॉइस्टेंड मीन्स व्हाट क्या है, उसमें हल्का सा हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड में उसको हमने डिप कर दिया तो मॉइस्टेंड हो गया, हल्का सा गीला हो गया. एंड व्हेन वी विल ब्रिंग क्लोज टू द माउथ ऑफ द टेस्ट ट्यूब, व्हाट वी विल सी अ fumes is evating out. Okay, fumes, we will see the fumes, and that fumes is of which color? It is of white color. Okay, white color fumes we will see. And actually what it is white color fumes? It is actually a gas is evolving out. Which gas is it is evolving? Ammonia gas. Ammonia gas is evolving out. That white fumes is actually a ammonia gas. It is actually a ammonia gas. Okay, so this is the experiment which is given in the book. You have to study. What happens? Bunsen burner is there which is giving heat to the test tube. On that test tube we will taking a solution of ammonium chloride and dry slake lime. Okay, after when it get heated, we will take a glass rod which is moistened with hydrochloric acid and brings close to the mouth of the test tube. We will see a white color fumes is start raising up, white color fumes, and that white color fumes is identification of which gas? Ammonia gas. That means ammonia gas is evolving out from the solution of ammonium chloride and dry slake lime on heating. Okay, so this is the experiment which is given here. Okay, now we have to study about, we have to study what? We have to know about the common term which is known as effervescence. Effervescence, SES. Effervescence. Okay, so what is effervescence? When a gas bubbles are formed. When gas bubble are formed. Okay, when gas bubbles are formed, what happens when gas bubbles are formed? Usually on heating, okay, sound due to a reactions. Okay, usually a hissing sound is produced. a hissing sound is produced because of chemical reaction, because of chemical reaction. Okay, because of chemical reaction, then that phenomena is known as effervescence. Okay, when gas bubbles are formed, okay, on heating, what happens? A gas bubble start forming, and what happens with the hissing sound? With the hissing sound, that means there is a little bit of sound you will heard, and what happens? The gas, with the gas bubble, with the evolution of gas bubble, a hissing sound will be heard by you. Then that hissing sound in the chemical reaction is known as effervescence. Okay, that chemical reaction is known as effervescence. For example, sodium chloride, sodium carbonate, NaCO3, which is known as sodium carbonate, on reaction with hydrochloric acid, what happens? It will give what? Sodium chloride. It will give sodium chloride, water, and what? And carbon dioxide gas is evolved out. Sodium carbonate on reaction with hydrochloric acid will give sodium chloride, and water will be in the product. Water will be also seen in the product along with carbon dioxide gas, which is evolved out, and this gas is evolved out with a hissing sound. Okay, and this gas is evolved out with the hissing sound. So this is the example of effervescence. Okay, so this is the example of effervescence. This phenomena is known as effervescence. Okay, then formation of precipitate. Okay, so precipitate is what? The residue which is left after the chemical reaction. The residue which is left and settled down, in the bottom of the vessel is known as precipitate. Okay, is known as precipitate. So precipitate, formation of precipitate, what happens? I have already explained you how the precipitate is formed. When what happens? After chemical reaction, the residue which is left is known as precipitate. Okay, so see here, sodium carbonate and barium chloride on heating. Sodium carbonate, that is NaCO3, and barium chloride, BaCl. Okay, on reaction, what happens? They will give barium carbonate. Okay, barium carbonate, and what happens? And sodium chloride, Okay, so sodium carbonate on treating with barium chloride will give barium carbonate, which is a precipitate. This is the sign of precipitate. If in a product side, if this sign is mentioned with any product form, and that product with that product having this sign, that is the negative, that is the downside arrow, then what happens? That is the indication of precipitate. That is the indication of precipitate. Okay, that means what? Barium carbonate is precipitate formed along with sodium chloride. So this is the formation of precipitate. Then change of state. In change of state, what? Hydrogen on reacting with oxygen will give water. So there is a change in a state. Hydrogen is a gas, oxygen is a gas, and what happen? It will give water which is in a liquid form. So there is a change in a state. Okay, so all these are the chemical reactions which we have studied here. Okay, I have explained in a concise way, but what you have to do, you have to read line by line. All reaction which is given are very important along with the topic. Okay, so you have to study and understand it, and if any problem you can ask me. Okay, first you see the video. After watching the video, you will came to know about the topics, and then read it by the book, which it will make the whole chapter very clear. So here is the end of the chapter. I have explained all the term, covered each and every topic. Now what happens? Now the chapter is over, explanation part is over. You have to study it by the book, and if any problem you can ask me. Okay, thank you.